guys, today I got some from my favorite things. That means now I have a little toys. It's a squishy. And one is an elephant and one is a girl. And it comes with nothing. And the other is a girl too. And we need some this one of the markers. And this is comes with the one that says here. Right here. And after some scissors, this is more faster. And this is not a normal pencil. This is a real pencil. It's not a normal pencil. Why? This is a mini pencil. And actually, this is black with scary. And actually, this is what it looks like. And he also has some mail right here, all of that. And this is a cap. It also has, this one is really yucky. I don't like this one. This one is one of my favorite ones. Actually, this is not one of my favorite ones. It looks smell of other things. It looks smell with peaches with pineapple. I don't know what is that. It's a little hard to close it. It asks for some more french fries. I was talking about the french fries. Actually, now we can make a capybara. I forgot the black. And actually, this is a black one. And this is the rainbow colors. And actually, it has sizes. First, you start like here and over here one. Hey, you see this messy one? Look it, this is a smother one. Then who's the winner is actually the little one. Wait, look it, he's more taller than everybody else. And I don't know why the pink is straight. I think he's the winner. Why? He's all the capybara looks pink, right? You see it? It kind of looks a little pink than this, the other. This is more different than the others. Look at that. Any hearts is there. And it's close to have a heart right here, but I don't know it. It asks me, this is the winner why he's more taller than everybody, the colors. Now, this is a highlighter. When you hide the things you need, and this is what it looks like the top. I erased there from a long time, and this is why you have that. And actually now, this is the thing. Now we can make a capybara with and that one was real straight, while that one was all black. Now, we can make a capybara. I can make right here. Right here. I can use the space. Then first I can make some ears. Really close. This is how we make it. Now we do it like this. It kind of looks a squishmallow. It kind of looks a big squishmallow. The one is I live on the ocean. Oh, it kind of looks the R too. Now we can make the body. Here's his legs. And here's the other legs. The legs getting up. He also can have some pizza made. Wait, the capybara was really strange. We also got the color when it was brown and that was good. Now, again, so this is hard and really hard. Wait, his? It's like this. His eyes is really strange. I never see a capybara before. This is a real capybara, I think. My God, it's a real one. this is a fluffy one. Actually, I don't make one, but it's not down so we can discuss it after. Actually, this is not a thing. He's like getting him right there. Now we get good. Wait, do we need the cover? I think we can add some little pinks. We don't want to be that. We don't want to use that still. Now we can try it. It's okay, leave that around. Now we get it good. This is the fastest. Then actually, it cuts a little. Here's the one. Oh my gosh, it almost cut the ears. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. It almost cut the ears. You cut the ears and don't have more doses due to it. And you need to start all over. But I can't get anything. That's I wanted to make something like what's this fluffy part like the cake in it. Yeah. Whoa. Don't cut it back. Don't just cut it. No. I almost cut it. And I actually cut it to hand, but I think that was the little feet. What the? Why is doing that? Now it's the capybara is here. It's little strange. We actually have a strange face. Now we can get the pizza is really fast. I never see a capybara eating a pizza. But I just found this many ones. Now, well, good. So we didn't get any pieces of the pizza. Now this is which one you like the best. The pizza, the capybara. Actually I can't pretend he's eating it like this. He don't can see his face like he's eating. This one make a piece. He's just gonna try it out. He can make some sounds too. He's eating still. Now see when they eat everything? You can like do like this and he eats everything. Discovering the pizza way. And when he eats everything, then he will eat everything. Now I don't get something so much. Why? Actually this is a bandage, it's a ring gun. It actually kind of looks the same ones as the sign. But this is a sub one and this is the open one. I don't think that he can see something, but he actually sees something. Now who's your favorite one? Now the capybara, the pizza. Subscribe for my videos.